Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting unboxing to share with you guys, and it's from Kenzo. So it's one of my favorite brands to purchase from. I love their shoes, I love their bags, and they come out with this whole new series of sports series. So I decided to get my hands on one of them. So it's inside, and yeah, let's get right into the unboxing. So this is the box. It comes with the items that I purchased as well as the receipt. So for those of you that are interested to purchase from Kenzo, this is how the receipt looks like. It kind of looks like the Christmas or New Year card you receive from your friendly neighbors or family members. So then when you open it up, the receipt is inside this very cute card, and yeah, it's packed like this. Super nice. And this is the dust bag. And can you guess what I have gotten? The dust bag itself actually improved over the years as well. On the previous year that I purchased, it doesn't feel like this, but it's super soft and super nice. And let's open it up together. So ta-da! This is the Sport Series X Large Clutch that I gotten in black color. I'll show you guys the close-up right now so you guys can get a clearer idea of what to expect, and you can get the fine detail, and yeah, let's get right into it. So this is the Kenzo Sport Large Clutch in black color. It actually comes in 3 different shades, in beige color and army green as well. And the legendary X-shaped logo is the unique point of this bag. The wrist strap is why I gotten this clutch, because I can carry around it very easily. The zipper comes with the Kenzo logo as well. This whole series is just super unique, and it's just a very totally different feel. On the inside, it looks like this. There's the Kenzo X logo on the card holder area as well, so you can place your card there, and it's more than just a simple clutch. I would say the bag is really spacious, and it's waterproof because it's made of nylon, which is the point that I gotten it for. And yeah, it's absolutely wonderful. So this is how the bag looks like from the back, and a close-up of it, you can hear that it's made of nylon and it's waterproof. I'll show you guys how it looks like when I carry it around. So this basically, the size itself is actually 27.5 times 20 times 17 centimeter. You can carry it on your wrist like that, or you can carry it by your hand. It's just very versatile, and it's kind of like match everything because of the color itself. That's why I choose it in black color, and the reason why is because I dirty my bag easily, so I thought black is like the safest color. And it's kind of the similar size as compared to a A4 paper, if I'm not wrong, or a little bit bigger. So it's really cute, and yeah, I absolutely love it so much. So thank you guys for watching it to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do let me know what you think about this Sport Series clutch, and whether it will be your favorite item as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!